me to say that?
Better. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have the most special guest in the entire world. My boyfriend, Andy. Hi.
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 How you doing? Hi.
Okay. So today, what we have for you, as you can see by the title, is a Tech 9 merch haul. We went ham. He went ham. And let's see what's in this big ass box.
Okay. Ooh. Back up.
Dude, relax. I opened like 50 boxes today.
I know you do. Always got packages.
Oh, shut up.
Just that one. Maybe I should have done that part. I don't know.
Alright, let's open this motherfucker up.
Oh shit.
Okay, this is so exciting. Okay, so what we got first in here is a beanie. I ordered this for myself because it has his Tech 9 face paint on it. My favorite one, to be exact. It is literally the best face paint he ever does.
He does a lot of face paints.
Eba's cool and all, but this is it. This right here. That's it. Okay. We got
That's
one
mine.
Jackets.
Ooh.
Show it off, honey. Front and back, front and back.
So we got the it's the old school carnival style. Yeah.
Ooh.
I was digging it. I don't really have any zip ups. More of a pullover guy, so I was like, let's switch it up. There you go.
No, it looks
It's
good.
comfy. It's comfy.
It's gonna be a dress on me. I can't wait to wear it. Show them in the back.
So it looks
Flip
like.
your hood up. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, okay. Alright, so next on the fucking list is this sick ass shirt.
Oh, that's the neon sign style
yeah, it's like
one.
very retro, but also very modern. I love it. That's so
Yeah,
cute.
with the logo.
Yeah. I love the use of the blue and red together, because, you know, he is a McBloody, so that's dope. I love that. Pick my crown, because I'm a queen. Duh. Right. Oh, ooh, we got a long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, I got this guy because I was digging the style. You got the strange music snake on the back. Pretty simple, but got the nice gradient.
Ooh, living for that.
Yeah.
All right, next, bubble wrapped cup. Okay, it's not a cup. It's a beer glass. Okay.
There should be two. Should be two.
There should have been two.
All right. Well.
However, there's just one, but it's super dope. Oh my god. Boo-loo. I'm really happy about this. I don't know if you can see it, but I still don't know if you can see that. Doesn't fucking matter. It's the thought that counts, and this is a nice glass. It's like pretty thick too, so it seems like really good quality.
Full pint.
Although you drink more than that, so it's fine. No one would. All right. Oh. Oh,
Really
she saved them for last. Well, I was gonna save these for we'll save those for last. Okay. The back is the best part. Okay, so awesome story about this is that he actually already has the original version of this shirt, and it's signed by absolutely everyone on Strange Music. And so he got another one so he can actually wear it instead of, you know,
have it framed on the wall.
Yeah. For all of eternity. Okay, so this one I'm really excited about. I love matching with this fucker. He is my favorite person to match with. All of our Halloween costumes match. Like, we get matching, like, beanies most of the time, or, like, matching t-shirts, or I just take his clothes that he has multiple pairs of, like his work shirts, and I wear those. So I was really excited because I absolutely fell in love with this shirt. Like, I wanted to get it like almost a year ago, like 8 months ago, and I never got it because I didn't want to spend $50 on a shirt for one of them. So I was like, hey, let's do this. I'm so
Now
excited.
match.
We're so cute. Look at us. We're adorable. We're hashtag best couple ever. What up? Alright. It is the big finale. What we have all been waiting for. These were actually placed on top and we had to shuffle them to the bottom. So, we each have one of the most expensive items on strangemusic.com. So, what we have here are jerseys. What up? Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited.
Typically, I don't wear white and I don't buy white items because I want to save that for a special day. But I was like, this sweater, whoa. This jersey is just too motherfucking cute.
Oh yeah, I'm digging it. Okay, I feel like I'm a part of the team now. Oh man, they're like real patches and everything.
Yeah, it's a little bent up, but
Yeah, that's just from the shipping.
But as soon as it is not bent up, I will be wearing this everywhere. This is a literal dress on me. I don't know if you can tell. Here are my knees. And here's the dress.
This was the smallest size they had, so
Worth it.
I think they are kind of more.
And it's like actual jersey material. It's not like something that you would buy from Ross that's like really thin. It's like really thick, like an actual.
Oh yeah, these are real
NFL
jerseys. Yeah.
Like this is nice.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
And you got your emblem down here on the side. And the big IX, which is 9 for Tech 9. There you go, is the back.
Just giving them looks. Serving them. So yeah, that was our Tech 9 haul. While I'm here, I'm going to put on this beanie because it is so cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to just revel in all of our clothing all over again. And then we are going to hang out with our friends and he's going to drink. So that'll be fun for him. He's 21. He's legal. Just had his birthday. Wish him a happy birthday. If I actually have any subscribers out there, that'd be cool. Alright, so that's it. See you later, guys.
Bye. Yeah, these are sick. Oh yeah, I like it. What do you think about the black?